You are looking at 2003 Ford Focus SE. It is a station wagon. Has damage on the right side. But as you can hear, the car is running and it can be driven on the parking lot. Both right side doors are damaged, but they open and close, no problem. Tires are still good, they are about 80–90% tread left. Let's look at inside. Nice and clean. It has power windows, power mirrors, power door locks. Right now there is 70,621 miles and there is no warning lights on, which is great. Radio works, CD works. And if you would like more information about this car or any other cars we have, please visit www.rebuildcars.com.